Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial videos. With the following video, I will guide you to say the quick snap, or that is also known as the disappearing photo or video on Instagram. Now if you understand the quick snap, which is the new update available on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to know is that make sure that you have updated your Instagram up to date to get the new feature. So if you have not updated it, you just need to update it from App Store or Play Store, depending on. So after doing all of it, you just need to open the Instagram app on a device. So as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you can see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. You'll be able to see various options. So click on the direct message button, and at the very bottom right, you'll be able to see the quick snap which has been sent by your friend. So you may simply swipe it like this, and you may simply click on the option of camera like icon and click on the option of try it, and from here I'll simply take a quick snap. So after taking a quick snap, it says quick snap appears at the edge of your friend's inbox. So click on the option of got it, and you may also add a caption and all of it, and you may also choose to share it with your friends or friends followers that you follow back, or you may share it with the close friends and all. So that's it. That's how you can send a quick snap from Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.